Namaste, Suprabhatam Sarvesham. Good morning to everyone. Life is very important to everyone. Every person has own freedom to lead their life. But we should always be in the right path. This Sanskrita shloka tells about the thing, that concept we are going to discuss. Nindantu Neeti Nipunaah yadi vastuvantu Lakshmi samavishatu gacchatu va yatheshtam adyaiva va maranamastu yugantare va nyayat pathaha pravichalanti padam na dhiraha. This shloka tells about the important thing, how we should live in our life. The first part of shloka, it tells about Nindantu Neeti Nipunaah stuvantu. Let those who are skilled in ethics, Neeti Shastram, they criticize me. Or let those who praise me, let wealth come to me or let it depart. But we should not care about that. I don't fear of the death, whether it comes today or in the future. The wise and strong-minded people, courageous people, they will remain in the righteousness path of dharma. In this shloka, the author is expressing a sense of inner strength and detachment from external circumstances. The first line, Nindantu Neeti Nipunaah stuvantu, this line reflects the strong-minded, courageous people, their indifference to the opinions of others, whether they criticize or praise them, whether they are skilled in moral philosophy or simply giving praise. The strong-minded people remain unaffected only. And the second line of this shloka, Lakshmi samavishatu gacchatu va yatheshtam. This line expresses their detachment from the material wealth, acknowledging their wealth may come or go according to its own will. In the third line, the author of this shloka shows that the courageous people, dhiraha means courageous people, they don't fear about their death also, whether it comes today or it in distant future. The last part of shloka, Nyayat pathaha pravichalanti padam na dhiraha. This shloka, this part emphasizes the unchanging nature of the righteous path of dharma. For those who are wise and courageous, the principles of righteousness are firm and consistent, irrespective of external events. Overall, the shloka conveys a message of steadfastness in righteousness, detachment from material gains and losses, and a fearless of death, highlighting the strength of the wise in maintaining their values regardless of life challenges. Let us all take this message and always stick into the right path in our lives and achieve our goals. With this information, I once again repeat the shloka. Nindantu Neeti Nipunaah yadi vastuvantu Lakshmi samavishatu gacchatu va yatheshtam adyaiva va maranamastu yugantare va nyayat pathah pravichalanti padam na dhiraha. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.